In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart in Monday.com. Gantt charts are an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to plan, schedule, and manage tasks effectively. Whether you're organizing a project for your team or simply looking to streamline your personal productivity, a Gantt chart provides a visual timeline that makes it easy to see your project's status at a glance. So, let's dive in and explore how you can set this up in Monday.com. First off, you'll need to head over to Monday.com. If you're not already familiar with it, Monday.com is a popular project management tool known for its user-friendly interface and customizable features. So, if you haven't yet, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you aren't logged in yet, make sure to do so with your credentials so you can access all the necessary functionalities available on your account. Once you're in, the next step is to click on Board from the dashboard. The board is essentially your workspace where all your project details and tasks are organized. If you're managing multiple projects, be sure to select the board where you want to create the Gantt chart. This ensures all your tasks will align with the appropriate project timeline. Now, you'll notice a plus sign either on your screen's top navigation or to the side, depending on your layout settings. Go ahead and click on this plus sign. This action allows you to add new features to your board. It's really your gateway to customizing and enriching your project management experience on Monday.com. Once you've clicked the plus sign, a menu will appear with a plethora of options to enhance your board. Among these options, you'll see something labeled as Gantt. Click on Gantt, and this will automatically add a Gantt chart view to your current board. Monday.com empowers you to visualize your project timeline with this Gantt chart. You can now start dragging your tasks onto the timeline. This feature allows you to adjust the timeframes and dependencies dynamically. You get to see the big picture of your project and adjust start and end dates by dragging the edges of each task on the timeline. Remember that Gantt charts are not just about having a project timeline, but also about visualizing dependencies and milestones to ensure your project stays on track. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a Gantt chart in Monday.com. With this visual and intuitive tool, you'll be well on your way to managing your projects more effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore the other features available within the Gantt chart view to further tailor it to your project needs. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for following along, and I hope it helps make managing your tasks and projects a little bit easier.